In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google to navigate eBay, browse for products, and contact sellers directly. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just starting out, knowing how to effectively use these tools can make your online shopping experience much smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in and get started by opening Google. As you probably already know, Google is more than just a search engine. It's a gateway to a wealth of information right at your fingertips. And today, we'll be using it to find our way to eBay, one of the largest retail websites in the world. Simply type eBay into the Google search bar and hit enter. You'll see eBay pop up in the search results right at the top, making it easy to click through and enter the website. Now that we're on eBay, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. You'll notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top, as well as categories and featured items below. Feel free to use the search bar if you have a specific item in mind, or browse through the categories if you're just exploring or looking for inspiration. Either way, once you find a product that interests you, click on it to get more detailed information. On the product page, you'll see a wealth of information to help you make an informed decision. Here you can view the price, the seller's ratings, the product description, and any customer reviews that have been posted. Take your time examining these details since they can really help in deciding whether this is the right product for you. If everything checks out and you're interested in making a purchase or just want to get more information about the product, you may want to reach out to the seller. You can do this by finding and clicking the Contact Seller option on the product page. This option is typically located in the sidebar or underneath the seller's information, depending on the layout of the page. Clicking this option will usually open up a form or a message window where you can type out your questions or inquiries. Keep your questions clear and concise, and don't hesitate to ask for more details, whether about shipping options, product specifications, or anything else that might be on your mind. And there you have it, folks. You've now learned how to navigate through Google and eBay, browse products, and even reach out to sellers with any questions you might have. This approach not only helps you find what you're looking for, but also ensures that you're making well-informed purchasing decisions. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the key to successful online shopping is research and communication, so don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.